In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy the S&P 500 on Fidelity. Simple guide. You can't buy the S&P 500 directly because it's an index, not a single stock. Instead, you buy a fund that tracks it. On Fidelity, the simplest and most common choice is FXAIX, also known as the Fidelity 500 Index Fund. It's designed to mirror the performance of the S&P 500 by holding roughly 500 of the largest U.S. companies, giving you instant diversification in one move. Start by opening the Fidelity app or visiting the Fidelity website and sign in to your brokerage account. Once you're in, head to the search bar and type FXAX. If you forget the ticker, searching for S&P 500 Index Fund will also bring it up. Select the result that says Fidelity 500 Index Fund with the ticker FXAX to open the fund's page. Here you can glance at its objective, performance history, and fees, so you know exactly what you're buying. When you're ready, tap Trade or Buy. This brings up the order screen. You'll choose how you want to invest, by dollar amount or by number of shares. Many beginners prefer a dollar amount, which makes it easy to start small and even buy fractional shares. Next, select your order type. For most long-term investors, a market order is perfectly fine. It fills at the current available price during market hours, keeping things quick and straightforward. Then confirm the account you want to use. Make sure it's your brokerage account. Before you lock it in, tap Preview Order to review the details. Double-check the fund ticker, the amount or shares, the order type, and the account. If everything looks good, tap Place Order. You should receive a confirmation, and shortly after, you'll see FXAX appear in your positions. There are other ways to get S&P 500 exposure at Fidelity using ETFs like VOO or SPY. These trade like stocks throughout the day. However, inside Fidelity, FXAX is often the cheapest and easiest option for straightforward, long-term investing. A quick beginner tip as you get started: you don't need a large lump sum. Starting with even $10 to $50 is perfectly fine. Consider investing on a regular schedule, weekly or monthly, to build a habit and smooth out market ups and downs over time. This approach helps you avoid trying to time the market and keeps your focus on long-term growth. That's all it takes to buy the S&P 500 on Fidelity using FXAIX. Follow these steps, stay consistent, and keep it simple.